We started our safety journey, it was all about workplace safety. And really it was about, people working in industrial plants and occupational safety. It was an area we needed to focus on and improve. And so we have improved it pretty significantly. And then we think about, well, we really want to get to zero incidents. And if you're going to work proactively to get to zero incidents, it's not just about the technical aspects of safety or with the things that OSHA applies to. You really got to have the right frame of mind. Your body needs to be in the right condition, all those things to avoid any incident. And so we instituted a program we call Beyond Zero. And really what Beyond Zero means, it's a wellness initiative. And the wellness is all about who you are as a person. We care about your physical fitness, your cholesterol rate, your blood pressure, and making sure you're healthy, because you need to be healthy to avoid workplace injuries, and that's a good thing. But now we're working on how do we avoid a stroke? How do we avoid a heart attack? How do we help people quit smoking? Because those are things that can really have an impact. Then you get to the mental state of mind, and are you doing well? Do you have a healthy environment? Are you enjoying your job? Or you feel like you have opportunities to advance? Is the relationship with your coworkers good? That's all very important. Then you get to kind of your financial health. Are you paycheck to paycheck and worried about everything and in debt, because that weighs on you and that brings you down, and that's not good. And then how do you interact in the community? What are the things you like to do? Do you go out and have fun? Do you exercise? Do you get involved in helping others and supporting charities and things like that? So kind of we've moved from, hey, let's don't get hurt and let's help each other in the workplace environment, all the way to, do we have a well-rounded life? Do we feel good about ourselves physically? Do we feel good about ourselves mentally? We want our employees to love being here. We want them to jump out of bed in the morning and say, I'm ready to go to work. And that's good for us and good for them. It's good for their families. It's good for our customers. It's like this whole circle. And so when we think about who we are and who chooses to work with us and how we treat each other, all that's super important. And that's definitely the safety culture of ATS.